10 simple strategies to improve your vision at home. A holistic approach to better eyesight. Say goodbye to eye strain and welcome to a clearer vision with my holistic guide to eye health. I'm Sviatoslav and I will guide you through 10 key strategies to improve your eyesight at home. Learn how to relax your mind, balance your brain activity and foster an environment that supports vision health. The top 3 methods to break through mental barriers to enhance sight will be in the end of the video. Let's dive deep into the critical factors that contribute to improving your eyesight naturally. Here's a comprehensive look at what we will cover. First, mind relaxation and top 5 techniques. Eye relaxation is a cornerstone of eyesight recovery. Without the ability to relax your eye muscle, vision improvement and overall health remain not successful. Our body is self-healing, but relaxation is the key to unlocking this natural recovery process. To renew distance vision and unlock eye focus for nearsightedness, to balance eye muscle, to heal astigmatism, we need flexible eye muscles. Top eye relaxation techniques includes mental relaxation to wipe off negative thoughts and the ability to relax your eyes and body entirely. Large and small visual movements, side to side, swinging to relax the whole body. Second, harmonizing brain's hemispheres and lazy eye treatment. The challenge often, actually 99% of time, one brain hemisphere dominates, same as the left or right hand. This imbalance can lead to amblyopia or lazy eye, where one eye weakens significantly. The solution, exercises to balance brain hemispheres activity, can improve this disharmony in the treatment of lazy eye. Just start doing more things with your left hand and to look more often with a weaker eye. Social environmental eye problems. The issue, society pressures and negatively influence and often discourage natural vision improvements methods, pushing people toward glasses or surgery. This strategy is crucial to filter out negative opinions and focus on empowering knowledge and practices that support vision health naturally. Our body is self-healing, and anyone with the right mindset can recover eye muscle flexibility and unlock eye focusing function. It is 100%. You just need to believe in your body and filter toxic opinions. Fourth, creating a vision improving environment. Practical steps. Eye exercises like a circle on the wall to practice precise circular eye movements. Just put a hula hoop on the wall or draw a circle with a chalk and look on the contour a few times a day. Start using a pirate band on the stronger eye to strengthen the weaker eye. 1 minute a day, and setting up physical barriers to maintain healthy distance from screens. Do not lead close to the screens. At least outstretched arm length. Fifth, eliminating lack of movement. Eye movement. Regular eye movement is essential for reducing strain and improving circulation and oxygenation, which are vital for eye health. Eye workout. At least 1 minute a day must be done, non-negotiable. 6. Eliminating body tension. Overall impact. Tension in the body, especially in the neck, shoulders, can negatively affect eye health by restricting blood flow, regeneration processes. Do some steps, stretching, or go to gym to get in a better shape. 7. Breaking bad visual habits. The root issue, habits like squinting or sitting too close to the screen, can reduce your sight. Do not get into a cycle of eye strain and low circulation. Start doing relaxation and recovery. 8. Identifying mental obstacles to eyesight improvement. First, stress and anxiety Persistent stress and anxiety can negatively impact your eyesight by causing your eye muscle to constrict and your field of vision to diminish. Do as much as possible to catch up negative thoughts and switch to the present moment and focus on something positive. 9th, limiting beliefs and expectation. Doubting the possibility of sight improvement often leads to not taking action. This mindset can block the motivation needed to pursue vision enhancement. Holistic eyesight improvement has existed for more than 100 plus years since Dr. Bates. It is working, just trust the process. 10. Attachment to eyeglasses. Eyeglasses often become more than visual aid. They woven into an individual's self-image. The prospect of living without them can stir up anxiety and resistance, reducing progress in eyesight improvement. Remove eyeglasses as soon as you don't need them. At home, when walking, when doing exercises, and so on. Enhance your vision naturally from the comfort of your home with Eyesight Academy course. Dive deep into how you can leverage eye relaxation, eye workouts, and mental shifts to unlock the self-healing powers of your body and improve your eye health naturally. Link in the description. Top 3 methods to break through mental barriers to enhance sight. First, mindfulness and relaxation. Adopting mindfulness practices such as meditation to relax facial muscles and deep breathing exercises into your routine can alleviate stress and anxiety. This relaxation of the mind and body can aid in recovering eye muscle and enhancing both focus and vision. Second, setting achievable goals and valuing progress. Establishing small realistic goals throughout your journey to better vision and celebrating each achievement can fuel motivation and feeling of success, helping to diminish feeling of being overwhelmed or frustrated. Third, educational empowerment. For eye health, gaining knowledge about eye health, the mechanics of vision, and the principle behind natural eyesight improvement methods can challenge and change ingrained beliefs. This understanding empowers me with confidence to pursue vision improvement actively. You can check out my Eyesight Academy course with the best techniques for natural eyesight improvement. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the most crucial elements for naturally improving your eyesight, from relaxation techniques and brain hemisphere harmonization to addressing the influence of social environments and psychological factors. Subscribe for more insight and don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.